The quality of our drinking water is something Scottsdale's Water Resources takes very seriously. We abide by the strictest standards to ensure every drop that comes out of your faucets or spigots is clean, safe, and fresh. In fact, we continually test our water throughout the city and do our best to surpass these standards so you never have to think twice about the quality of your drinking water. Scottsdale's Water Resources has one of the most sophisticated labs in the area. Our chemists and biologists can test the water quickly in-house without having to send samples to another lab for results. This quick turnaround helps keep our costs low, which saves you, the ratepayer, money. The lab stays busy all year long since they regularly analyze over 200 substances, have over 150 drinking water sample stations throughout the city, and monitor 10 different entry points in the water distribution system. Water quality staff also monitors and tests the water in 24 different groundwater wells, too. All of these test results are compiled in an annual report and mailed to each customer in June. This report, often called the Water Quality Report or Consumer Confidence Report, provides important information about your drinking water, including the results of all the testing we do and how we stack up against the federal requirements. Whenever there's a water main break, water quality staff are the first to be called to the scene. They work closely with the repair crews and water services staff to sample water both up and downstream from the break to make sure dirt and debris did not compromise the water being delivered to your home or business. One of the biggest challenges for water quality staff is treating groundwater designated as a Superfund site by the EPA. In the early 1980s, several of Scottsdale's groundwater wells were determined to be contaminated with industrial chemicals from nearby manufacturing plants. A special water treatment plant was built that strips these harmful chemicals from the water to meet or surpass all federal and state drinking water standards. The groundwater cleanup efforts have been very successful so far, although it will take another 20 to 50 years before the groundwater cleanup is complete. Another component of the Water Quality Department is the Industrial Pretreatment Group. For some types of businesses, like restaurants and automotive services, before water going down the drain even reaches the city's sewer system, it must pass through an on-site treatment system. This treatment, which is mandated by the EPA, helps reduce the amount of pollutants that can be discharged into the city's sewer system. Without the system in place, many of the solids and chemicals entering the city's sewer system could cause severe damage to it. It would also make it more difficult and expensive to clean during the wastewater treatment process. The industrial pretreatment staff protects the city's sewer system by inspecting over 2,000 commercial and industrial businesses every year. Some businesses are inspected more than once a year, depending on their potential to affect our system. We work with each business on a case-by-case basis to educate them on the environmental benefits of this process. After all, the cleaner the water is coming into the wastewater treatment facility, the cleaner it is when the process is complete, which provides cleaner water to irrigate the city's golf courses or recharged back into the ground. Water quality also monitors the city's recharge efforts. Wastewater has to go somewhere, and the water quality staff is there to monitor how much reclaimed water is available and where it goes once it's treated. If the reclaimed water is not going to one of Scottsdale's many golf courses, it's getting recharged back into the environment. Water quality also monitors the deep wells and aquifers below ground to make sure they are not compromised. As you can see, Scottsdale's water quality team is a critical component to every other department within the Water Resources Division. They work closely with water services, wastewater services, and planning and engineering staff. They even answer technical questions from customers who want to learn more about what goes into keeping our water safe, clean, and reliable whenever you need it. To learn more about what goes into Scottsdale's water quality, visit www.scottsdaleaz.gov/water.